Cup of walnuts. Need 1 cup of flour. And you're gonna kind of mix those together. This is gonna be our base. I'll add in a stick of butter, melted.
Oh yeah, you melted that good.
Okay. And this will be your base. Yep. Okay, now you're gonna take it and put it in your 9x13. And just press it down. Okay, yeah, just take, I finally just decided to use my hand. We're just gonna take it.
You just gotta flatten that.
Yeah, you gotta flatten it down where to make into your 9x13. Okay, now that's all you need. You're gonna take this and put it in the oven and bake it for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
At 350.
Okay, our crust is browned up. We're gonna get it out of the oven. We're gonna set it over here and let it cool. And while it's cooling, we're gonna make the next 2 layers.
Sounds good. All righty.
Okay, we got 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. This is gonna be for our 2nd layer. 1 cup of powdered sugar. And 8 ounces of Cool Whip, which is a small one.
So that whole thing, okay.
Whole thing. Okay, you're gonna take your mixer and blend all this together. Okay, got that good and blended. You're gonna set that aside and we're gonna make the 3rd layer.
Alrighty.
Now we've got some jello cheesecake pudding mix. It's the instant. You're gonna take 2 boxes of it with 3 cups of cold whole milk. We're gonna make our pudding, which will be your 3rd layer. And we're gonna take our mixer, get it mixed up. Okay, we got our pudding mixed up. We're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for a couple minutes while we're putting our 2nd layer on.
Got it.
Just let it chill for a few. We're going to take our mixture and put it on our cooled crust.
This is our 2nd layer.
Yes. Okay, let's even that all out.
Nice and creamy.
Spoon. Okay, now we'll get our pudding. Let's see how it has thickened up.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice and thick now. Ooh, my wife would love this. She loves cheesecake.
Well, the pudding, it smells just like a cheesecake taste.
Almost looks like a banana pudding right now.
All right, so now we're gonna put Cool Whip on the top.
Ooh.
Now you got cheesecake.
Oh
You know,
yeah.
everybody loves cherry cheesecake.
That's true. Or
Or
strawberry.
hey, I've got some fresh strawberries.
Really?
Yeah, we could throw a few strawberries on top.
All right.
Okay, there's your Cool Whip.
Ooh, those look like good, fresh strawberries. They got a great color to them.
Yeah, I haven't went and picked strawberries this year, but what I need to go do, I think it's better if I just hand put them on there. My hands are clean.
It's looking good. So now we got to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit,
And
right?
let chill,
Okay. All right, so let's get a little piece out of here. It's gonna be a little messy getting out, I think. So I'm gonna try my best.
That's what our
I've
lives
been making
are.
a mess today, so
Life's messy,
that's true.
but there's also something
You're really
sweet
about to
it.
find that out with them twins you're about to have.
Amen.
Got the crust out. Oh, this looks like a great summer dessert.
It does.
Get a little bit of that crust too on the bottom. There we go. Why am I blowing it? It's a cold thing. I'm so used to blowing stuff when I eat.
That's funny.
Oh, good. Yeah. If you're a cheesecake lover,
You'll like this.
you'll like this. Make some strawberry pretzel salad. We start with 1.5 cups of crushed pretzels. Then we're going to throw in 3/4 cup of melted butter in there. And then we're going to have 4.5 tablespoons of sugar to it. And then we're going to get all that mixed together. All right, now that you have that mixed together, we're going to bring over our 13 by 9 baking dish and put this over the bottom of it. So, go ahead, get it smooth all over the bottom of our greased baking dish. Get you a spatula. Make sure, try to get it all covered as best you can. All right, y'all, we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for just 10 minutes to get it lightly toasted. And we're gonna bring it back out. So it's been about 10 minutes. So let's take it out. You wanna let it cool. Strawberry pretzel salad. So now we're gonna make our cream cheese mixture. We're gonna do 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, a cup of sugar. Just get that nice and beaten together. All right, now you got that well beaten together. Go ahead and just get whatever's in there out. Now that we got that in there, we're gonna fold in some Cool Whip, a whole 8-ounce packet of Cool Whip. Make sure it's thawed when you do this part, and just get it folded in. Once you got it nice and blended like that, we just gotta wait for that crust to cool, and we're gonna throw it over top of that. All right, so take your cream cheese mixture, now that we got it all cooled down, go ahead and throw it on top of that crust that we made. Just kind of smooth it evenly over the top as best you can over our cooled crust. All right, now that we got that nice and smooth over the top, we're gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. While that's sitting in the fridge, you wanna pour in 2 cups of boiling water into a large bowl, as well as a 6-ounce package of strawberry jello. Jello. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today, guys, sorry. Strawberry gelatin mix. Throw that in there. And then you also want to throw in 16 ounces of frozen strawberries. And get all that stirred together until the strawberries are completely thawed. All right, now that we got that stirred up, let's bring in our cream cheese pretzel base, and we're just going to pour this over the top of it. Go. Let's get those strawberries more evenly distributed. All right. Now we're going to put this in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, it's ready. It's been about an hour or so, and as you can see, we got some jello on top. So let's give it a try. Look at that.
Yum.
This would be perfect for July 4th. Oh my gosh. Look how yummy that looks.
That looks so good.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see. Gotta get some of that pretzel crust in here too. Gelatin. Ooh. And that pretzel crust too. Oh my goodness, y'all. If y'all are looking for something to make for the 4th, You gotta try this. I am not playing. Oh my goodness. Strawberry upside down cake. We start with 2 cups of crushed strawberries that we're gonna put over the bottom of our 13 by 9 baking dish. Just get it spread out as best you can over the bottom here. Once you have it spread over the bottom, we're gonna take 6 ounces of jello powder and just evenly try to spread it on top of our crushed strawberries. Get that spread over a little bit just to kind of get it even. And we're going to take 3 cups of miniature marshmallows and just kind of get it evenly spread over the top of our strawberry base. Now that we have that, we need to make our cake mix. Start with yellow cake mix. And we're going to add a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 large eggs. Once you have all that together, we're going to get our electric mixer and put it on low. Start to get that mixed together. Then you want to put it on medium after about a minute. Alrighty, now that we got that nice and beaten together, we're going to pour the cake mix over our strawberry marshmallow base. So let's go ahead and just pour that right on top. Get you a spatula to make sure and get everything out of there. This is a great dessert for July 4th. That's why I'm making it. Giving you all some good options when you're out there celebrating with family and friends. So just get that cake batter spread over the top of your marshmallow strawberry base. Get that nice and spread around. So now we got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for about 40 to 50 minutes. 40 to 50 minutes, y'all, and this thing should be about ready. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Looking like a nice golden brown. Oh, it smells so good too. So you're gonna wanna let it cool for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna have the grand reveal. All right, let's give it a try. And this is strawberry upside down cake, so we want to serve it upside down when we get it out. Ready for the flip?
Mm-hmm.
There you go, folks. Got your strawberry upside down cake. It's great for the 4th.